Wireless in Nashville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Central Coffee County in Middle Tennessee, Warren County in Middle Tennessee, until 5:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:29 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Manchester, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, golf ball size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs.
Service advises that there is a possible tornado just south of Brunswick County, Coffee County, along I-24, doing mile markers 113 and 118, and that's from the National Weather Service. This is KJ4GSD.
Oh no.
Okay, there you go. Thank you very much, sir. Thanks for the report.
Wind advisory in effect until 7
Possible tornado in Coffee County just south of me right now.